Hi everyone, this is Dawn with DEK Designs, and I'm coming at you with Hump Day Happy Mail, which we have every Wednesday, and it is a free kit when you purchase $19 in our shop. And this week the kit is Wildflower, and it is done in our rose gold sparkle foil. These are the full boxes, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. In the scene down here, it is a array of different size butterflies. I don't know if you can see that. And this is like a washi box, and it has bows. This is a flat lay of an outfit, and the tea, and the little fox with some books, and the girl with her shoes and her little tote and some jam. Of course, you get to pick your skin tone on this, and as well as your planner size. And then the butterfly scene. I just adore this kit. So those are the full boxes, and these are the date covers and your bottom washi. It's just a little sprinkle of glitter down here, and then the bows. Super cute. And then your items for layering. It does come with matching clear date dots and fashion girls. They are super adorable. And then your flags and your scallops, your work labels, and your deco. Your half boxes and quarter boxes. Your 3-heart checklists. 2 clipboards, your sidebar. 3 habit trackers, and then some script, payday, errands, plan, laundry, tidy up, Target run, shopping list, hump day, and movie night. And then your script headers, your glitter headers, your weekend banner, and a scallop for your weekend banner, some 3 page flags, and then 3 heart checklists. So this is the free kit today when you spend $19 in our shop. Rose gold sparkle foil. It is 7 sheets, well actually 8 if you count the date dots, but 7 sheets for free today on Wednesday with a $19 purchase. Okay, I wanted to show you some other stuff that we added in the shop today. I've been getting a request for some amphora in the shop, so I thought I'd give it a try today. This is die cuts that match the kit, and they're sticker die cuts. And I believe they're $5, but you can use your discount code on them. And let's see what we have here. We have the set of shoes, and the books, and the jam, the mirror, the butterfly earrings. I wish I had a pair like this. They're so cute. The flower. I love this deep red color. And some more jam. And the hat. Butterfly. The wicker bag, the cute little fox, the teacup, a scrunchie, sweater, flower, and a top. So those are the die cuts. If you're scrapbooking or in your journal, these work great. or to decorate your planner in your side pockets or so forth, or your dashboards. Okay, so those are the die cuts. That's new in the shop for today. We'll try it out and see how it does. And then this is the matching Hobonichi cousin. And I'm going to be planning with this, so I'll be uploading a plan with me using this kit. So the Hobonichi cousin is a 2-sheet kit. And then you have the add-on journal sheet, and this is clear foil. I don't know if you can see that very well, but it is clear. You can get it in our regular premium matte or the clear. And then we also added a new Color Club kit. So this is called Peachy, and it actually matches pretty darn well with our new release today. So these are the full boxes. This is a la carte, and it's on sale today. I think the sheets are $1.95, which they're normally $3. So these are the full boxes. The sidebar sheet, the scallops, and so if you like any of these sheets, you buy them a la carte, and this colorway is going to go well with a lot of your fall kits. It's very neutral colorway. The date covers and date dots, and then these are my favorite, the half boxes and quarter boxes. They're so useful. You can bring them into a lot of different spreads. So those are those 2 sheets. We also have quarter sheets, Zoom, Bill Do, the movie marquee, and the layer sheet. And then this is the washi sheet. There's 2 strips matching of each pattern. So that is the washi sheet. Very pretty. The glitter sheet, another favorite of mine. And then the icon sheet. It just has some scallops, some days off, some work computers. That's actually if you want to track your period. And then some functional icons. So that is what we have new in the shop today. And then our free kit, which is called Wildflower. Thank you for watching. Have an awesome day, and we'll see you soon.